Hello everyone, this is my English version of lessons 1 to 3. As you can see, I got a disclaimer and a copyright. In my lesson 1, we looked at, I want to zoom window so we can see the on full screen area. The lessons 1 we looked at polar coordinate input method and Cartesian coordinate input method. For example, if I am drawing a line, I pick a random point, and to rotate freely I'm going to press F8. F8. 1 second. Copy. F8. Copy. Copy. To rotate freely, press F8 on your keyboard. Now you can rotate freely, and I'm going to do a polar coordinate, so I'm going to type at 2 meters less than symbol and 45-degree angle. See what's the line comes. Enter as aligned as 45-degree angle. So I'm going to change the layer. Next one is Cartesian, so I'm going to pick the rectangle and see how Cartesian coordinate works. At, so I'm going to do 1.5 meters, meter. So that's the 1.5 meter rectangle, and this is the match property. This one into here, so change the color. So this is a line 2 meters at 45-degree angle. Now I redrawn this rectangle. This length is 10 meters and the height is 5 meters. So I can quickly show you how to draw L, for example. So I'm going to draw it outside. 100, 0, and 1.5 meters, 270, 1 meter, 0, 500, 270, 1.5, 180, C and return. So that's CL. So we looked at this. F3 is for If you press F3, you will turn on the object snap on and object snap off. You can see now F3 on, object snap here on, here again F3 off on your keyboard, object snap off. That's all for lesson 1. Lesson 2 is drawing 1 and 2. Lesson 3, then looking at all the commands we used in this lesson up to date. I am going to end this lesson here, and I'm going to call this lesson 1 to 3 part 1 English version. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for the channel. Thank you again. Bye now.